Hi, this is Pouring Weinhardt, the painting that you will paint, take home with you and be proud to put on your wall. If you want, you'll be able to buy a simple frame that you can buy for £10 to make it look even better. We have the deep glowing colours of yellow ochre, alizarin crimson and burnt umber applied with brushes and sponges. The bottle and the glass, they're drawn in with pre-cut stencils and Sharpie pens and then painted in. The wine pouring out of the bottle and making a heart shape as it pours into and out of the glass. You don't have to copy it exactly, and you can go off-piste with it if you want, as much as you want to. Because what I say is that I don't tell you what to do, I simply show you how to do it. This painting, bringing thoughts of a warm, snug and slightly smoky bar, will be the best painting in the world. And why? Because you painted it your way. That's why. So, click the link, book your tickets, and I'll see you at 6:45 on the day for brushes ready at 7 o'clock sharp. See you then.